Hi everyone, this week we are at Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is located on the border of Ontario, Canada and New York, United States, with a population of 88,071. The Niagara Falls are made up of three waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls, creating a natural spectacle which attracts about 30 million people each year. Three 160 tons of water flows over Niagara Falls every second. This accounts for 75,750 gallons of water per second over the American and Bridal Falls, and 681,750 gallons per second over the Horseshoe Falls. Apart from the river's natural attractions, it includes observation towers, high-rise hotels, souvenir shops, museums, indoor water parks, casinos, and theaters, mostly with colorful neon billboards and advertisements. Peak visitor traffic occurs in the summertime. From the Canadian side, floodlights illuminate both sides of the falls for several hours after dark until midnight. The oldest and best-known tourist attraction at Niagara Falls is the Made of the Mist boat tour. The boat starts off at a calm part of the Niagara River, near the Rainbow Bridge, and takes its passengers past the American and Bridal Falls, then into the dense mist of spray inside the curve of the Horseshoe Falls. Skyline Tower offers the highest view of the falls, and in the opposite direction gives views as far as Toronto. There are two casinos on the Canadian side, which are the Niagara Falls View Casino Resort and Casino Niagara, and one on the American side, which is the Seneca Niagara Casino. Niagara Falls, also known as honeymoon capital of the world. Every year, thousands of couples around the world choose Niagara Falls for their honeymoon. The Dozier Burr Alston, daughter of former USA Vice President Aaron Burr, and her husband Joseph Alston were the first recorded couple to honeymoon here in 1801. Tons of thrilling and unique attractions to keep you busy during your visit. From exciting boat rides towards the falls, to the re-owned Street of Fun, epic indoor water parks, exciting nightlife, falls view restaurants, zipline, go-karts, and so much more. The possibilities in Niagara are endless. Thank you for watching. If you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe us.